Hey fellow patriots, Bravo Echo here, and in this podcast I want to talk to you about the Tack Life portable battery kit. You can carry in your backpack, you can carry it in your automobile, but with winter season coming on in most areas, it'll be cooler or too cold, and this accessory is awesome. You can get it for about $79.99 on Amazon. They have different sizes of it that you can get um, for your vehicle. Fit in your glove box or in your trunk, depending on what kind of vehicle you have. I picked up a few of these to put in different vehicles for us, and as I'll show you in the video coming up, I just used it to jumpstart a dead battery. So anyway, I just wanted to show it and demo it to you and let you see what it's like. Okay, so let's move on to the video. So we have a dead battery, and we're going to use our Tack Life emergency portable kit to charge and jump the battery off. So we're going to take the Tack Life emergency charger that also charges you can charge phones and other portable devices, as well as you can plug it in to run a lamp off of it. So you're going to go to the side here where it says start engine or engine start. You're going to flip it up, and you're going to plug in the little portable attachment here. You will test it. It's green. It's telling you that it's connected correctly, and you're going to connect it to the red to your positive. To the positive side of your battery, and you're going to plug the negative, connect it to the negative side of your battery, and you're going to let it sit here for a moment. You can see, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but the Tack Life has 99% battery power. These are great. It fits in your glove box if it's a large glove box. You can put it under your seat, or you can carry it in a backpack or emergency box as well. So we're gonna try. So I bought one of these kits for each of our vehicles that we have handy, and then it shows 97% power at the moment. It was I think 99 when I started. I fully charged this to 100% about 5 or 6 months ago, and the battery has held its complete power without losing any in storage. So this is a good thing. Disconnect the positive and the negative, disconnect it off, and you can disconnect your power source out of the battery and turn your battery off. It used 5% of the power, so I jump started the vehicle from completely dead, and it only drained 95% off of the battery. Okay, so we witnessed the Tack Life jumping a car battery. I wanted to show you some other ways you can use the Tack Life battery, which is here. You can buy this on Amazon for this kit for $79.99. Occasionally they'll run a coupon ad for $10 off. It has the power on and off switch here. You can see it's got 95% battery there. It's got a light here on the end that you can use. It's got a lid here for start engine plug for your jumper cables, and it's got 2 USB and then 2 for power. So staying with my my personal belief of 1 is none, 2 is 1, and 3 is better. So with this here, I have 3 power sources. Okay, so if I have no electricity, I have a solar panel which I can power to charge these devices. I can recharge this. I can recharge this battery here. That's also a power source. It just doesn't have jumper cables. This is more for a cell phone or items like that. Here I have the solar panel, which has the USB cord on it, so I can charge all my items from that as well. Over here I have a night vision IR scope right here, and you can see it has a USB cable on it, so I can power this lithium by plugging it in here to draw power to run it, especially if I don't have electricity in a home or wherever I may be. I can mount this on a tripod, right, and I can run the cables through a laptop, which is battery. I can recharge it, and I can use this and feed through the laptop to see what the scope is seeing. So I can actually use this as a secondary security measure out a window in areas if I don't have enough manpower to cover a particular item or a particular side of my house. I can run it, and I have 3 power sources for it. Your cell phone, your iPad. You can take your cell phone here and you can run it into one of the power cables for either the pocket battery, the Tack Life here. You can recharge it, and also for your scope, any other items that you may need to recharge, right? So you got 3 sources for recharging these items through solar, and then having enough power to run what you need. I actually have a 4th source that's not as portable, but that is the solar panel with deep cycle batteries and inverters that I have to use around my house to run a fridge, freezer, and items of that nature. Maybe that's a future podcast. So anyway, I wanted to give you kind of a better understanding of the multifaceted features of the Tack Life. So again, you can order it on Amazon. There's numerous ones on there. This one's $79.99. It's portable. It fits in my car with ease, or I can carry it in a backpack. So check it out. Until next time, come visit us at hopeforsurvival.com. All of our multimedia sites that we're on is at the beginning and the end of each podcast. You can check them out and write them down. So stay safe and be blessed. Bravo Echo out.